Hey guys, today I'm again here with another business plan. So you're watching here. This is paper shredding machine. So this business is very awesome. There is not so much work to do, and there is no so much cost to invest. You just have to buy this machine, and you can start doing work, and you can earn a good income monthly. So you're watching guys here. That this person is collecting shredded paper from the machine. The simple thing is you have to uh, give it newspaper and whatever paper you want to shred, then it will give you shredded paper, like you can say कतरन of papers. हिंदी में जैसे आप कहते हो पेपर की कतरन. So this is the work. You just have to put papers in this machine, and this will give you shredded paper, and you can sell this paper in your city uh, to some business persons who use this type of papers for packaging. Like you must have seen whenever you purchase anything from e-commerce companies, if you receive any cartoon, then there's so much shredded paper, and you find the product between the shredded papers so that the product could not get damaged. Like fruit sellers also use these shredded papers so that they can give some weight to the carton of fruits. So there are so much platforms where you can sell it, like uh, the business who sell actually glasses product means like glass products, like cups and jugs of glass, and the businesses who sell actually normal आप जानते हो चीनी मिट्टी के कप, those businesses, and the businesses who sell actually fruits. So you can actually find great opportunity on the internet. I'm suggesting you, because I'm not able to give you all information because I just want to keep this video short. So you're watching this machine. So if you want to order this machine, you want to buy it, and you can call on this number. So now guys, I want to show you how this machine actually work, so you can actually get an idea if you buy this machine what type of work is here, how much effort you have to give to earn with this machine. So just watch full video. So let's start. So guys, you watched how the boy was working on with this machine. You can also work like this. There is not too much work. It's very interesting work. You can do at your home, and you can earn money a lot. You know that the old newspapers you can buy from anyone, buy from so many homes, because they are useless for them, but you can make them in use. So if you buy 1 kg of newspaper, old newspaper from anyone uh, in 11 and 12 rupees, and you can sell this shredded paper 18-19 per kg. So there is so huge margin you can get. So I hope guys you understood, you like the video. So I will meet in my next video. Till then, bye bye.